Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute sound on Instagram story. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you muting sounds on your own story before posting, also muting someone else's story while watching, and muting specific audio tracks by using your music stickers. Alright, so the first method, muting sound in your own story before posting. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and tap on the post sign and then story right here. Now, when you tap on the music icon at the very top, let's say you've added one. Now, how do we mute it? All right. So just go ahead and go back to the audio section and then go ahead and tap on the delete button and then it's gone. Now, the second method is by muting specific audio tracks. Let's say you've added a sticker right here and then you've added the music from your stickers. Let's say again, this music. Tap on check, done. Now, how do we remove it? Again, let's go back to the same exact section. You'll be able to see the delete button. Now let's go ahead and check someone's story right here. And as you can see, they've been playing music, right? So how do we mute it? Just go ahead and tap on hold the screen to pause it. All right, pause and use your phone's physical volume down button to what? Of course, mute the audio. All right. So you'll be able to see at the top right here that your volume icon will be visible. So just mute it or use the physical buttons to mute it. Or if your phone has physical silent or vibrate switch like an iPhone, just flipping it to silent mode will automatically mute all Instagram story audio until you tap this screen to turn it back on. And that is how you mute sound on Instagram story. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.